So what are the best safety glasses for DIY projects? It really comes down to two things: comfort and extended wearability with reliable anti-fog performance. Let's take a look at my 5 favorite picks. Hey everyone! Whether you're sanding furniture or fixing a leak under the sink, you need proper eye protection. But that doesn't mean you need heavy-duty industrial gear. Today, I'm going to show you my top 5 safety glasses specifically for DIY and home use. When it comes to home projects, our priorities are a little different than on a construction site. We're usually choosing between lightweight comfort and heavy-duty protection. Our first pick is the lightweight Pentax F6000 breeze catchers. If you're not wearing a hard hat, you probably don't need a bulky frame competing for space on your face. Next up is the Pentax Beta, which is about all-day comfort. Notice the rubberized nose pads and flexible temples? That design helps reduce pressure points. If you're painting a room for 4 hours, heavy glasses can leave you with a headache. These won't. Next up, let's talk about shape. Wrap versus square. Wraparound styles like the Wiley X Omega offer excellent peripheral coverage. They help block dust and debris from getting in around the sides. But in recent years, square safety glasses have really taken off. These are more lifestyle inspired that also meet Z87 standards while still looking like everyday eyewear. The number one complaint I hear? Fogging. That's why my fourth pick, the SafeVision SV26, is a great example. It features a high-performance anti-fog coating. If you're wearing a dust mask while sanding, regular glasses can fog up fast and completely block your vision. For DIY projects, anti-fog isn't optional, it's essential. And the good news? You can add anti-fog coating to pretty much any safety pair you choose. And yes, this model also comes in some great color options. And finally, we've got a strong option with grip-focused goggles, like the ProGear EG-L1031. They're designed to stay secure, giving you a stable fit while you're working, no matter how much you move your head. You'll find links to all 5 pairs in the description below. And here's the key: choose a pair you actually enjoy wearing, because the safest glasses are the ones you don't feel the need to take off.